Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought we'd have a little fun with a Halloween inspired makeup look. I have worked with the company Luxaza before. They sent me a little Halloween kit that includes 5 of their eyeshadow sticks, a set of press-on nails, and some glitter. So I grabbed all of my favorite Luxaza products. I have a lot of them on my face today, and let's have some fun. The name of the set is A Fair Black Rose. It is $39.99. I've opened the shadow sticks that come with the package. If you're not familiar with Luxaza's formula, they've got a really nice eyeshadow stick formula. And on one side is the color, and on the other side is a brush. So I'll go ahead and swatch these for you. Here we go. We have a black, this purpley gray, a pink, a stunning silver, and a gorgeous champagne. Let's put a look together. And I'm going to try to use their brushes. I'm going to start placing this in my outside corner. Very, very creamy. I'm going to take the brush and just start blending. Very nice. Next, I'm going to take this pink color and put that a little bit above the black, just to blend and soften that edge a little bit more. I like that they've given us 2 mattes and 3 shimmers. Bring this over just a little bit. I want to play with all the colors. So I'm going to take this purpley gray color and I'm going to put this right next to that black. Just blend. It's like paint by numbers, just having a good time here. These are one of the creamiest eyeshadow sticks I've ever used, which does make it easier. I don't like it when they drag across my eyes. And now the silver, probably the one I was most excited about. I'm gonna go right in that inner third and just build that up to the intensity that I want. Just blend out the edges. Liking. Now I'm going to go back in with that black, and I want to see if it shows up on my waterline. Absolutely. Drag it under a teensy bit and blend. How convenient is it that you don't need a brush? It's got one built right in, and I'm just hazing it out so that it looks softer and not so harsh. I want to take a little more of that silver and sort of bring it into the inner corner and down underneath that inner bottom third, just a little bit. And let's see if I can get precise with the black liner on the top. If I wanted to take that across, I'm keeping it almost in my lashes so that I can keep it tight to the eye. Looking good. Before I add the liner and mascara, I want to play with these little gems. I've dropped a couple in front of me. I'm going to use my little tweezers, and I'm going to see if my Kiss Lash adhesive will work. Wish me luck. I'm back. I added some mascara and some bold false lashes. Overall, I am very happy with this kit. Thank you to Luxaza for sending it to me. I love the shadow sticks. It could not have been easier to apply and blend. I know because I own some already that they are long lasting. The nails were super fun to apply, completely out of my comfort zone, but I do have very large nail beds and they were easy to apply. They fit on my fingers. I love that it comes with self-adhesive tabs. I didn't have to break out any nail glue. The eye gems I am getting used to. Little awkward. I'm sure that practice makes perfect. They are pretty, and to add some fun to your look, that is great. This is not a sponsored video. Luxaza was kind enough to send me this kit and share with you that it is available. I've done a few videos with them and I like their products. So if you are interested, make sure you check out the link below. And of course, the other Luxaza products that I used today will be linked there as well. I used the contour, the highlight, the blush, the lip color, and the eyeshadow primer. All will be listed and linked below, along with any other makeup that is on my face. Editing Jen here. Just wanted to let you know that there are some additional specials going on, and I, of course, will pop up pictures. When you order over $100, you're gonna get $20 off. Orders over $200 get $50 off. When you spend $49 or more, they have this adorable Halloween powder puff box set for you. Or if you spend $79 or more, you get a drawstring makeup bag. There are flash deals on the website. There's a buy one, get one free zone, and an everything under $19.99 zone. So make sure you check out the website and take advantage of those deals. I hope that this was fun and that you'll consider subscribing before you leave. Give the video a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. And of course, leave me a comment. What do you think? Do I need to wear this out to my Halloween party that I haven't been invited to yet? Or do you just think that this is a fun, bold, dramatic look that you would like to replicate? You can do that with Luxaza. I will see you in the next one. Have a great day.